Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Friends Cook Up. Welcome back. Today we'll be cooking some callaloo. Enough we call it Callaloo. Yeah, this is a breakfast edition, and I just want to show you how we prepare it and stuff. So we're gonna cook some callaloo, dumpling, yam, and sweet potato. All right? Yeah. Okay, so this is the callaloo that I have here. So yesterday I went and buy just a bungle of callaloo. And see, as you can see here, it's fresh. Now I'm gonna show you how cut it up and stuff. So first thing first though, I'm gonna make the dumpling and peel the yellow yam and sweet potato. But do that first. Alright. So here I have my flour. Then I have some water here. And I have a half a teaspoon of salt I'm gonna add to the flour. So this is just white flour dumpling. Water, salt, and flour. That's it. Alright, dumpling ready now. So now I'm gonna look after my yellow yam and sweet potato. Okay, so this is my yellow yam I have here and sweet potato. So I have a bowl right here. When I peel the yellow yam, just put it in there in the water and the sweet potato. Alright, so yeah man. Alright, so now I'm gonna add it to the pot. Yeah, I got a pot here with some water already boiling up. So now I'm just gonna add the yam, the sweet potato on it now, and leave that and let it go and boil up. Alright. This is the callaloo that I have here. Yeah. And look at the stem right here, and then look at the leaf, guys. Yeah. So first thing first, before you start to cut up the callaloo, you're gonna get a bowl like this. Put the callaloo in there. You're gonna get some water with some salt. Like you're gonna wash it off. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You have this bowl with some water in it. Yeah. Then now it's gonna add some salt. Yeah. In case if you have anything on the leaf, anything like that, now you just kind of like wash it off, you know, in the salt water. Yeah man. So now I'm gonna cut it up. This is the callaloo here. Wash it off again, you know. Alright, so now I'm gonna leave the dumpling to boil. Cover it up. Okay, so this is the vegetables I'm gonna use in my callaloo. So here I have the onion, sweet pepper, bell pepper, and some garlic, scallion, and thyme, and hot scotch bonnet pepper. Alright. Okay, so this is the pot I'm gonna use for the callaloo. So first thing first, I'm gonna add the callaloo to the pot. As you can see, already washed. Yeah. Here. And now I'm gonna add all the vegetables. See? Sweet pepper. Thyme. Yeah, so this is how I'm going to prepare my callaloo. Yeah, just like that, guys. Here I'm going to add some butter. Like that. Some people use cooking oil, but I just use the butter. And now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Yeah. Just a bit of seasoned salt. Just a bit. Add some salt. Not too much, like maybe half a teaspoon. I'm gonna cover it up. Let it go on steam. Alright. Okay, let's check in back on the dumpling. Yeah. Nice, nice. Look at the yellow yam here. Sweet potato. Remember, you know, guys, my dumpling them don't come out pretty, you know. Some ugly dumpling. Yeah, but real way, though. Okay, let's check in on the callaloo. Cut that, guys. Cut that. Maybe a lot of people don't use the thyme, but I like to use it, you know, give it that flavor, you know, with all the vegetables. Look at that, guys. See? Nice. a little test, you know. Just like that, guys, just like that. Just let it go and steam down and then take it off. Okay, yeah, I think that's it now, guys. So right now it's finished, so now I'm gonna dish it out, you know, and tell you, show you what it look like, the finished product. All right. Okay guys, welcome to the finished dish. As we say, callaloo, dumpling, yellow yam and sweet potato. Breakfast edition. So now I'm going to show you what it look like. Callaloo with all the vegetables and sweet potato, dumpling, yellow yam, and then my hot scotch bonnet pepper to give it that flavor, you know. Yes, so right now I'm gonna go and enjoy it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, just hit up that like button and just share it with your friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. As I was saying, we are bringing yard abroad, right? So callaloo, white flour dumpling, sweet potato, yellow yam. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.